pretty cool. I think we might have to do another one, maybe. I think. And as these guys get prepared for the very next thing, takes a minute. Got to get loaded up. Figure out what you're going to do. Get the bad guy car ready to go. Somebody give me the thumbs up when it looks like they're coming. Alright, I just got the thumbs up, folks. Now some of these things get a little nuts sometimes. So you gotta play the right music for the crazy music. Alright, so keep your eyes down range here to the field. I think we got something else exciting coming. I guess they're dead, guys. It's a slow pursuit, so we don't tear the field up. Alright, it's Ricky Rock from Glassboro Police chasing this bad guy car here. I hope this guy doesn't do what the last guy did. Gotta figure out how to deal with that. Alright, this looks like it's coming to an end, folks. Guy's giving up. Here we go. He's gonna give up, I think. This looks like a regular car stop now. Yeah, he's giving up. It looks like he's coming out of the car. Yeah, he's giving up. Hands up. I think he's gonna give up, sir. Hopefully we got some backup to take care of this guy. Give it up. He looks aggressive towards the cop. What's going on here? That little malwop jumping over the car like that. And that's Rob Garris being a good job taking out Achilles. Alright, now you can see how we showed you the agility part in the beginning.